So procedures and functions are blocks or sections of code that you define, and then you'll call them as and when you need them. So they're typically used if you've got blocks code that is going to repeat itself. It's good practice to put it in a function, and then you can just call the function instead of duplicating your code more times. So the way to do it is you do def, which means define, and then you give your function a name. You open and close your brackets. You'll understand why in a little few videos down the line of why, and then you do a colon. All right, and just like if statements and loops and everything else, you then anything that's indented is part of that function. Now, when I run it, nothing's going to happen because at this point we've defined a function and we've said what the function is going to do. It's a really basic one, but we've not actually called it. To call a function, at some point in your code, you have to literally write the function's name and open and close brackets like that. So that will run it. So if I run that there, look, it's running that line of code. If I did that twice, I would call the function twice. Imagine that function's got 100 lines of code in instead of one. Just calling it twice instead of writing 200 lines of code is going to be much better. Okay, so that's how you create a function. That's the creating, and that's how you call a function to use it.